We are learning to write complex sentences. To understand how to write complex sentences, you must first know the difference between a compound sentence and a complex sentence. A compound sentence is where we join two different ideas together. Here's an example. I went to the park and I saw a dog. Here you can see we've got two ideas. We've got the idea I went to the park, and we've got another idea I saw a dog. If I wanted, I could have those as two separate sentences. I could get rid of the word and I could just write I went to the park, I saw a dog. But by using the word and, I make it into a compound sentence. I have joined two ideas together. Here is another example of a compound sentence. I looked out the window and it was raining. Here I have two different ideas again. I looked out the window is one idea. It was raining is another idea. I could just have those two ideas written as two different sentences, but by using the word and, I've joined them together to make a compound sentence. A complex sentence is a little bit different. Here's an example of a complex sentence. I went to the park running all the way. Here I have the idea I went to the park. That could just be a sentence on its own. But this idea, running all the way, that couldn't be a sentence on its own. I need the first idea for this next idea to make sense. That is a complex sentence where there are two ideas, but the second idea needs the first idea for it to make sense. Let's have another look at a complex sentence. This sentence says, my Milo was too cold, so I heated it in the microwave. Here we have another two ideas. My Milo was too cold, so I heated it in the microwave. The first idea, my Milo was too cold, could be a sentence all on its own. But if we wrote, so I heated it in the microwave, that wouldn't make sense on its own. The second idea needs this first idea for it to make sense. That's another complex sentence. Let's look at one more example of a complex sentence. This sentence says, she returned the computer after she noticed it was damaged. Here we have the idea, she returned the computer. If we wanted to, we could just have that idea on its own and it would make sense. This idea, after she noticed it was damaged, if we wrote that on its own as a sentence, it wouldn't make sense. We can't just say, after she noticed it was damaged. This part of the sentence needs this first part of the sentence for it to make sense. That's a complex sentence.